Hey guys, it's Mary, and I wanted to share with you the Waffle Flower Sneak Peek kit. This was 02, which I got last month, hence the sneak peek. But this is actually the release, part of the release for March. So you'll be able to pick these up if you're interested. The good thing about being in the Sneak Peek Club is that not only do you get to see the things, and play with them early, you also get to purchase early. So it's kind of fun, and it's kind of, fun to be able to see things ahead of, it going online for the general public. So, all right. So this one, if you can't tell, it's about doggies. So let's open it up and see what's inside. They always give you just a little bit of, just a sampling of product. So you never know what you're going to get. All right, so this time we've got some black adhesive strips. These, and they're in different sizes. So these are long and skinny, and then these are short and skinny, and then these are, it's probably hard for you to tell, these are thicker. So they're all in different widths and lengths, so that's great. That's good for anything. Paw print stencil dual. This is perfect. We've got 3 dogs now, and we love our babies, so that'll be fun. And what else did we get? Oh, little dogs to cut out. You can do little silhouettes on black. All different kinds of breeds of dogs too. That looks like our big dog. That looks like our medium-sized dog. How cute are these? All right, and then it's called the Oversized Friend Die, and it comes with a shadow frame. That's a nice big size. And then a sampling of their little sentiment strips. Possum, my friend, you are. Woof woof, happy bark day. You are best. Birthday wishes, doggy kisses. Sorry for your loss. Birthday paw, fic, simply your, and have a. So you can mix and match. And then they always come with it. Oh, wait. I left something in here. Yes. These you cut out, and these are self-adhesive. Sentiments, friends and family. So they're already cut out, and they look self-adhesive. To my sweet, you're amazing. Welcome to thy, my dear, love you, love our, is a blessing, not just to my forever, make loves a. That must be part of their Valentine, or just blessings, just general. So it always comes with a card, and it shows you some. Oh, actually, this one they took and they cut all the dogs out and then backed it. So that's a good idea. And then this is the silhouette, like I was talking about. And then it always tells you what's inside. So oversized friend die, best friend die, print die, oversized friend print die. Oh, and best friend die. The dogs are best friend. I got so confused there for a second. Paw print stencil duo, sub-sentiment, friend and family, black foam strips, sample sheet, and bonus sentiments. And so they always have a couple of different cards to show inspiration. And then the QR code for the how-to videos. And then Facebook group. So all right, so that's it for the February one. And I already have, and I've had it for a while, the March for the April, and that's your sneak peek. That's all you get. You get a sneak peek of the sneak peek. So let me know in comments if you are a part of the sneak peek club and what you think about the it so far. Like I said, we've only gotten, we just got number 3, which is the April release. So let me know what you think. All right, so that's it. Sneak peek number 2. Oh, there we go. All right, so that's it. So if you have not subscribed yet, please consider. You can hit that button, and then you can hit the bell, and I'll send you notifications. If you like the videos, please hit the like. It scores big with YouTube, and that's what it's all about when you're, you know, trying to grow a channel. So it's appreciated, believe me. All right, so that's it. Short, sweet, and simple. All right, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.